Hello everybody, Valber here again, and let's create your list in Android, okay? This layout will be very simple, just a text input, okay? A button and a list. So let's go. The first step is open your fragment home, erase this text view, you don't need this, and add this component. Here it is. Google com.google.android material text field text input layout. This is a better input text with improved layout. Is a better layout to your app. If you have errors in this part, just go and build.gradle and use import this implementation com.google.android material. This is material design from Google. Perfect. So I forget a little detail in your relative layout. Come on in relative layout, okay, and put this a little padding to improve your layout. This look like better. I'm sorry, I am nervous. So we already can see your input text. Perfect. The next component that you need is your button. So here it is. I will explain the code very faster, okay? Relative layout, you can order your component one side the other, or one behind or above other, okay? Your choice. You just need to put this. Where is aquí? Here. I'm sorry. Layout below and ID of another component. For example, layout character, and here is layout character. So one behind other. So to finish your layout, come on here and put the list view, a simple list view. This is just to you understand the concepts in the Android list, okay? This is a very simple list. In next videos I will bring another list, is more complex and very funny, is nice and you like to do. So the list, like I said before, below another component. Perfect. And with a little added layout to don't interfere in other components. For example, there is this pattern from bottom to not there conflicts with your navbar here. So guys, now let's go to your Java code. So home fragment. So here it is. OnCreateView is the method that we will need to change. The first step is change. When you create your fragment, will come in like this: return inflator.inflate the ID of layout container and the other things, okay? But we need to change it to this view. This is the variable, okay? Equal inflate.inflate ID of layout container and false in the end, because you need to instance another components, okay, and return the view with components already to use. Is it? So guys, the next step is create your variables to use in your Java code, okay? So I already prepared your code here like always, and 1, 2, here it is. Here's the variables, the same name like the ID of component. This like I do, but the name of variable here you can choose, okay? So we will need to create variables to receive the value coming from the component. In your case, we need a variable like a text input edit text, a list to charge your list view, okay? I create this because now I am studying list and I create like a collection. But you can create like array list test, for example, equal new array list. Perfect. There is no error. And finally a list view. So guys, the next step is use your variable. So just let me erase this. So here, after we declare the view, we use this. This line is basically we catch the value type in the component and the storage in the variable in this code, okay? So variable that create above here is equal, we need to do a cast, perfect, view.find by ID, the ID of component. Like I said before, the name of variable, you can choose any name, okay? Is, for example, name and her name will work, perfect. And we will say in this line, the value stored in this variable will be equal the value comes from your text input character. The text comes from here. So guys, the same idea, you use it to your list items, okay? Here it is. And the button. The button, I is to do an instance of your button or button here, but there is no problem. You put the here together another variables. There is no problem. Perfect. So add character dot set on click listener. It's a good practice. You have a method just to work your clicks, okay? So you need to use this, click here, and the second option, make home fragment, implement android.view.view on click. And okay, select the first option and okay. And here is your method. And here inside this method is very simple. Just need to do a switch case. For example, here, switch view.get ID. I forget to prepare this code, guys. I'm sorry. Case r.id.btnadd to do something. We will create a method called new item, and here it is, and a break to your code stop. So guys, to finish your code, let's put your method here, okay? I will explain line by line. In the first line, you use your list, your array list that you declare in beginning of code, and add in this list, this array list, the value inside your variable. So you need to use get text, okay, dot to string to store this value like a text. This system outprint I use it just to confirm the value comes from in your list, okay? So we don't need this. So in the next line, you need to declare array adapter, your adapter, new array adapter, the type, the basic context, okay, and the layout that will print the data. So let's create it very faster. Just come in this in just come in here, layout, new layout search, okay. I will list view 1, okay, and this you just need to use it like that, okay. Text view, the basically will be the items using this layout. The items in the list will use this layout, okay. So guys, coming back to your Java code, you can see that the error here disappeared because we already created your layout, okay. So put the list type of list and the list that contain the data, and to finish it, use the variable that is connected with the layout, set adapter and adapter. Think like that. List items is your list in layout, okay, and the adapter contain your data. And to finish it, clean the text box, the edit text is a good practice. Think like you create a form, you need to clean your form after submit the data. So let's see in Android. So guys, let's open the app and here it is. So let's add the character Naruto, Sasuke, okay, Minato, and Satoru Gojo. Perfect. Gojo. Here is the list. We can click in the items, and now I will add the many data just to you see how is your list or list with many items, okay? Just add to generate items in the list. So here it is. You can see that it don't cross with your navbar in the button, but all data is here. So guys, any problem, any error, please let in comments, I will help you. I see you on the next time.